Pidon kam nong shondur ne nong ringdur hakijing kawai jongpi ne kijing kendu sa kan mau jongpi phun shengi ngin penle mangi katkum kajing kwa jongpi kador gababit la kadai mensi ne menmin pranyo lai ariwei sau iwei Haka jingwan plipat ba jong Myntri Rangbah ka Sorkar Jilla Ukonrat Kesangma ya ka Eklavia Model Residential School ha paham Sien Bhoi District ki Khynnah Skul jong re Skul Sorkar kil ayo Myntri Rangbah dagi Jingthoh ki bolong kum ka khubor jing it yo Myntri Rangbah ubajidon ha senda jong pai ba ha man la ki jingdon kam ringkat ru bat ki sentiu bakini gi hybrid ki yasinahi habo Myntri Rangbah ula pha pule ye ki Jingthoh uladam da ke jingkemen bat ong ba ompat judan ban ai khubor jing it ha gani gorkom le ki Khynnah Skul bat thamai jong ka EMRS Bhoi bat da ke jing sngo it ye ke jing le jong kin ki Khynnah Skul ulabu da ke jing kelia ki ba kat ni ki la ai u ka e ki baki kwa ban ai mo opat kini ki Khynnah Skul ki la jawab yo Myntri Rangbah bagi kwa ye ki tiar thong jing thong la ni ki gardening tools bat ki tiar tem tiar pot Klem buteng ye gini jingkwa jong iti Khynnah Skul haba ai jingkren Myntri Rangbah ola jawab da baong ba uns ai ye kini jingkwa bat ki jingdon kam jong iti Khynnah Skul jong ka Eklavia Model Residential School paham Siem bat kren birian da baong balada wan poi biang sajisin ha kini skul ki Khynnah Skul kin ha ban ai ki jingrwai rengkat ka tem kaput bat usentiu uba kinthong da ki tiar thong sentiu
Of Meghalaya. Dear sir, we are so glad to see you on this day. You have given a very big surprise to all of us. Thank you so much, sir. You came to see us, to enjoy with us on this day, or you had come. We can enjoy with our friends before you leave the school, sir. From Eklavia Model Residential School, from all our side, thank you, sir. Have a nice day and a blessed day.
Thank you. Wonderful.
Your good name?
My name is Shillong.
From? Baridwa.
Okay, gently give.
You?
Oh. Wow. You also want to read?
Read.
Come here. Yeah, come.
To the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, respected sir, we all are so glad you are here and we would like this day will be very special and a memorable day. We have waiting for this day and thank you for visiting EMRS School. We wish you a happy, healthy, long lasting life.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Great. You are from?
East
East India. Which school? Which village?
Rangbah.
Rangbah. Oh. Yongkur? Rangbah. Rangbah.
Thank you.
She is a problem,
Okay.
especially about sir.
Oh, beautiful.
Good
And
name?
she, Susanna.
Susanna.
And she has written a very nice message for sir. Susie, will you read it?
Why don't you read it?
Yes, sir, she will.
You can do it. Read it. Yes. Read. It's okay. It's okay. You can do it. Good girl.
Slowly. You can do it. Yes. 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 Thank you so much.
All the best. Study well, ma.
Thank you so much. So you've given me such beautiful things. What can I give you?
Sir, you have given this gift to us.
No, this is of course is okay. But what can I? What can I
What
give
you
you? Some
want in school for you?
music,
Can
instruments, or sports equipments, or something constructive.
Yes.
Okay.
I'll do one thing. You know, we'll go back to the stage. You think about it, and you comment in.
You come.
Okay.
ma.
I thank the students who have written small notes for me. I have never received notes like these. It's truly, truly touching. And I really thank you once again for those beautiful and those kind words that you have given. And really, I will treasure them. And also at the same time, I am happy because I asked the students that you have given such kind words, what can I do for you? So the students have put in a very small request to give them gardening tools and music instruments. And they said, of course, music teacher also, but that the education minister will have to see. But I can promise you the music instruments as well as the gardening tools. So for my Chief Minister's special grant, my team will be in touch with your principal, and I assure you that we will give all the gardening tools and all the music instruments that you desire, but only on the one condition, that the next time when I come here, you will sing a song for me. And, oh, somebody said something?
They'll sing now, sir.
Oh, now also. But I wanted to do the music instruments. I wanted to play the guitar and play the drums and play the keyboard. So I want you to play and sing next time. And of course, I expect the flowers also from your garden. So I hope you will give me flowers also from the gardening. And then with that condition, I will give you instruments for both music as well as for gardening. So thank you so much. I wish all of you the very best. And may God bless each and every one of you, and may God bless our beautiful state of Meghalaya.